Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you see here, I am using my Party City hand and I put some nails on there. So I'm gonna do a design for Halloween inspired, and it's gonna be featuring all of the black horror movies. This is like I made my own decals for this hand, and I'm doing all those black horror movies. So if you guys are into that, just keep on watching and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, you're gonna have fun with me doing these nails. And I'll just give you like a little tidbit. So yes, I sculpted these nails on this hand. I did that off camera though, because I kind of wanted to see if I could do it. And if I ruin the hand, I will just be like, okay, let me just buy another one. But yeah, but I'm not going to really talk too much in this one. I feel like I can become a little bit annoying. Just explaining everything. If you are like me and you're like a visual learner, you could probably look at it and see exactly what I'm doing. I'm using polygel. And I'm going to put all the descriptions of the products that I use down below as usual. And products that I featured on here. And yeah, and just have fun with me. I made my own decals for this. And just go with me in this journey as I struggle trying to do these nails. But these actually came out pretty good. I was very proud of myself. So I'm so excited. Keep on watching, vibe to some music. And I'll probably tune back in shortly. Bye.
They love it when I turn up the bass. They love it when I turn up the bass. They love it when I turn up the bass. They love it when I turn up the bass.
Okay, so right now you guys are seeing that this is probably going to be, I had to attempt the decals a couple of times. So this is me just mapping out the design. I knew I wanted an ombre. I wanted like a dark ombre nail, and I used, soak off gels to kind of achieve that, like some gel color with some base coat to kind of like, ombre the gel out. Because I really wanted all the tips to be dark except for the white one, so, but we'll see. And I kind of played around with a lot of stuff. So I did the poly gel and I did the black poly gel. I wanted to try the black poly gel that I just received. And so far, the lamp that you have makes a difference. I just got a new lamp from Macart, and it's amazing. Because remember, if you guys remember a couple of videos back where I did like a black neon nail and I was struggling with the gel, it wasn't the gel. I was like, asking in the video, I was like, oh my God, could you guys give me like any other suggestions for black gels? I just automatically thought the black gels just takes longer to cure, which they do, but it also depends on the lamp that you have. And as you see, that nail had no ripples, none of that going on, and I'm applying the decal. And because my decals are transparent, so this is a little note I had to come in here with. If you have transparent decals, it's a blessing and a curse, because as you see here, I'm adding white because I realized I have to lighten up the background for you to see the decal, because they are transparent. That's just what it is. If you get the decal paper, which is the water slide paper from Amazon, the decals, if you can get them non-transparent or with the white background, the only issue with that is that when you put the decal on, you have to also make sure that you cut specifically around the decal. So in other words, if you have like a circuit machine, not circuit, oh my God, I'm thinking of circuit, Cricut. If you have like those Cricut machines, if you're a crafter like myself, a creative, and you have a Cricut machine where you're making your own decals and stuff like that, then that, it doesn't matter. That will work because of the simple fact you're making like a sticker to stick on the nail. Well, this, I prefer transparent because I could just cut around the design and don't have to worry about the excess white background from the paper to show. But I'm going on a rant. As you see here, my camera also kind of kept going in and out, but it's okay with the focus. I was just like, maybe I'll try to do like this cool faded marble design. So I added white and I put base coat to kind of sheer out the white. That's like the key. And I did kind of like this weird marble design. It was kind of cool. I was like, damn, I could leave the nails like this. I was like, I could leave the nails like this. And so thank God I printed multiple decals or multiple designs of the same thing. That's another thing. You don't want to put all your eggs in the basket. So I was just like, you know what, F that. So off camera, I just made the whole nail gray because I had to file. I filed down that black nail gel polish and repainted it, made it gray, and it came out awesome. You're able to actually see it. So I was just like, okay. And then I painted the bottom black so it could, tie in. And I think this is actually when I started doing the design, because I kind of wanted like drip nails or like blood drips, just representing horror and gore. And yeah, so I'm gonna kind of continue doing that. As you see, I also lightened up the nails from the other nail, but I'm just showing the thumbnail. This is the Tales of the Hood decal, and I thought it was dope. So yeah, so you guys keep watching, have fun, enjoy, and make sure you follow my social medias, and also like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna put a couple of pictures on my Instagram. I'm gonna also link my Instagram below as always, and you could also click and go directly there. Okay, so keep watching. Thanks for tagging along. If you stayed this far, just press the button. I mean, for God's sakes, if you watched my whole video in its entirety, I hope you're a subscriber of me, because I'm just going to keep coming out. I was a little delay for this video. I had a lot of things going on. But I am back with making more videos. So I have a couple of ideas I'm putting out. You know, balancing school, work, and everything like that. It's not an issue, but, you know, it can be complicated sometimes. So keep watching. Thank you so much. Love you guys. I'm going to try to do like a giveaway depending on like how many subscribers that I want. I've had no control really over this channel, even though it's my channel. But, you know, I just never really thought of that. So I kind of wanted to do something where I'm giving back, and tis the season of giving. So I'm going to probably get something really nice. So for anybody who comments and subscribes, I want to do like a giveaway feature, but I'll probably feature that in the next video. But thanks so much again. Happy Halloween for you guys. And I'll see you later with the final results. Bye.
They love it when I turn up the bass. They love it when I turn up the bass. They love it when I turn up the bass. They love it when I turn up the bass.
Okay, so this is all of the nails. And their little detail. I enjoyed this. This was really fun for me to do. I was actually thinking of doing this on my nails. So this was what it was before. And then here they are after. They came out so nice. Oh my gosh. I had to show you guys in the flash. This was cool. This was so cool. This was so cool. I'm proud. Like I said, guys, check out my social media. I'm gonna probably post some more pictures of these, like I said, on my Instagram. And also stay tuned. I also feature my TikTok, so I do little TikTok videos. I'm gonna push out some more, but here it is. And thank you guys so much for keeping with me, watching, subscribing. You like my little spooky background. You know, click that notification bell, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.